Hey everyone, another video on some Gerber products that I recently bought. I got this to go with me tent camping. It's a Gerber exchange blade saw. It has a fine blade and a coarse blade. It also comes with a sheath. So I'm gonna open that up and check it out. We got a sheath, got a belt loop. It's adjustable. The sheath is one of the blades. There's the coarse blade, there's the fine blade, and that's of course where you would take it off, exchange the blade out. Push button release. One thing to note about it, it does cover up the teeth of the blade inside the handle. It's pretty good. The handle, it's okay. It's not bad. Feels okay. It's not soft. That part there is rubber, that oval shaped part. The rest of it's plastic. The oval shaped part there is rubber as well. This is plastic. And it looks like it supports push and pull based on the cut on the blade. We have that. It's got a little pocket. See, perhaps you can see the stitching there and there to hold this in place. It's weird. Anyway, fits in there. So that's not too bad. It's compact for the most part. So I've got that. Anyway. And I picked up this. It's the Dime multi-tool, which basically has a keychain ring on the bottom of it. And also the Ripstop II folding knife. Get that open. Yeah. Hopefully that's in focus. Basically it's just Gerber's address, but it does say Fiskars on it, confirming that Gerbers and Fiskars are basically the same. On the multi-tool, yeah, it does go down kind of compact. And so we've got scissors, file, flathead, and knife blade. So that tool. It's a bottle opener. tweezers right there. There we have the ring. Set on a keychain if you wanted to. And then we have the ripstop. The Gerber branding there. Gerber branding there on the clip. And there's the lock. Push it over. What is it? I've had this knife for a little while. This is a Dewalt knife that I keep in my toy hauler. I keep it, you know, for anything I might need, for any purpose I might need a knife. So far it's been good. It's a reasonably priced knife. I think I paid $10 for it. Got a belt clip. Of course, it's got the lock. It's a smooth opening knife. You can open it that way. So that compared to that. So all in all, they're not bad. I'll put this on the keychain. I have a need for something like this, or where it might come in handy. And of course, I keep this in this mobile workbench here. That's in the toy hauler. I'll take that camping with me. I may actually put that in my backpack. And this I can take tent camping, but it's light enough I can put it in the backpack. Won't be a problem. There we go. Just a couple things I picked up. And again, Gerber's Dime, just miniature multi-tool. This is the ripstop, and this is the exchange blade saw. So if you want to check out any of those, I'll put links in the description below. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you haven't already done so, consider subscribing. If you like the video, give it a like. I'll say a little bit more about one of these, just let me know in the comments below. And I'll see what I can do. Anyway, everyone stay healthy and safe. Have a good holiday. Thanks.